Hi everyone. Sorry I missed you this morning since Zoom was not working for anybody. So sorry about that, but nothing I can really do. Anyways, I wanted to give you a shortened version of what we did this morning in math class. Science, you're going to be just fine in science. You could complete that assignment without me because I put everything on Kiddle. But math, you might need a little more assistance in what I'm asking you to do. I told you guys last week on Zoom that multiplication is huge in third grade. We will learn to multiply, or we will multiply throughout the year in everything that we do. So it's very important that we know how and why we multiply. So I hope you guys remember that. It's going to be very, very important. So today's lesson was just really all about practicing. That's what we did in class. We just practiced with multiplication and all the different strategies. So I'm going to kind of take us through, and I want to show you 6 times 4. We're going to look at 6 times 4. Now, there's 2 ways to represent 6 times, well, there's many ways that we can represent 6 times 4, but the first one I want to show you is equal groups. Now, I'm going to draw 6 groups of 4. Hope you guys can see that. 6 groups of 4. Over here, I'm going to draw 4 groups of 6. Well, which one best represents 6 groups of 4? 6 groups of 4. Does this one best represent 6 groups of 4? Or does this one best represent 6 groups of 4? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. 6 groups. And how many are in each group? 4. So this one is the best representation of 6 times 4. Now let's take it into repeated addition. How many do we have here? Well, we have 4. How many do we have here? We have another group of 4, and 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 you guessed it, another group of 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 4. 6 groups of 4. One way to represent, or one more way to represent 6 times 4 is by making an array. So I want to show you guys. To make an array, that is 6 rows and 4 columns. 6 rows and 4 columns. So when I make 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, 6 going, we're going to be going across. And how many are going to be in each row? There's going to be 4 in each row for 4 columns. Because if I take this, I have a group of 6, a group of 6, excuse me, that's a group of 4, 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 and another group of 4. I have 6 groups of 4. So my array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, fill it in for my 6 rows and 4 columns. 6 rows and 4 columns. Now, today I put on Kiddle an attachment for you. One of the papers looks like this, and then here is another one. And the directions say complete the table by drawing equal groups, writing the repeated addition expression, create an array, and write the multiplication fact. So if I look at this, I want to take this first one. If I look right here, I have how many groups of bugs? I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 3 bugs in each group. So 3 groups of 3. 3 groups of 3. So when I write my repeated addition equation, I'm going to have 3 plus 3 plus 3, because that's showing 3 groups of 3. Then I have my array. Well, if I have 3 groups of 3, then that means I'm going to have 3 rows and 3 columns. So I'm going to have 3 going across and 3 going down for my array. And I'm going to represent it as a multiplication equation, a multiplication fact, by saying 3 times 3 equals 9. So if I have 3 groups of 3, I'm going to have a total of 9 bugs. If I have 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's going to equal 9. And if I have 3 rows and 3 columns, then that's going to equal 9 too. So then my factor times my factor equals my product. My two factors are 3 and 3, and I put those together to have a product of 9. Guys, if you do these, and if you have a printer and you can print it out, that's awesome. You can write on it. If you don't have a printer, you can use a piece of notebook paper, and then make sure that you snap a picture and you guys send it to me on Kiddle or send it to me on Dojo, or you can email it to me. Either way, I will get it. I prefer Kiddle, but I know that sometimes that doesn't work. So you can do Kiddle, Dojo, or email, whichever works best for you. That's how I'm counting your attendance, is when you submit assignments to me. All right, I hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.